Alright guys, welcome back to Boy PGH. Today we're looking at what is trending on social media. So what's up on social media is the program. So first on our list is Carnation First Light Flood. So there is serious flood in Ghana at Carnation First Light. So this is serious flood. Looking at the the picture shows how the flood is like. Wow, serious flood. All right, let's move on. So, Portable Baby, Nigerian artist Portable shared this amazing image or photo on his Instagram page with the caption "Expensive OG, make money before you laugh." Zazu. So, Portable is telling us to make money before we laugh. Guys, let me know your comment about this caption. Alright, so that's your man Portable doing his thing with a whole lot of money in his hand. The dollar is blowing, he's blowing the dollar. Alright, let's move on. So Burna Boy is on the covers of the latest edition of Billboard magazine. This great news. That's great. So Burna Boy on the cover of the Billboard magazine. That's the latest edition. Alright, let's move on. Nigerian businessman murdered in Vietnam. That's sad news. So there's a Nigerian businessman in Vietnam and he's murdered. Oh, that's bad. May his soul rest in perfect peace. Alright, let's move on. So next on our list is Amrado Burna. Amrado is out with new visuals with the song title is Ubi Abua. So the video is out, guys. Go watch the video, go stream the video, go check it out. Alright, so Amrado with Ubi Abua. So next on our list is Shatta Wale is now in GH. He's back from America. He's now in GH. That's great. He's now looking at how his fans are cheering up when he touched down GH. So Shatta is now in GH. He's back from the United States of America. Wow, see how he's blowing the cash. He's blowing a whole lot of money. Shatta. Alright, so next on our list is a concert that's coming on the 28th of May in Italy. So this concept is coming on the 28th of May in Italy. That's Havoc City Afro Festival. So we have Davido on the list, Black Sherif, Kiddy, Kwame Eugene, Jackie, Slings, and a whole lot of artists on the board. So there's gonna be a great concert. That's Havoc City Afro Festival. Alright, so there's an image of LaRusso and Black Sherif, and we should expect something, a banger from them. They're telling us that these guys are on something, so we should be expecting the banger from them. So LaRusso and Black Sherif on this. Alright, so next on our list is Kendrick Lamar. So Kendrick is now in Ghana. He's currently in Ghana and he visited the Laboni Beach. So Kendrick is in your screens. He's Ghana having a good time in GH. Kendrick Lamar, that's your man. Kendrick having a good time with the boys in GH. Kendrick, American artist Kendrick Lamar now in GH. So our queen Hajia for real shared this wonderful image on her Instagram page, and there's a nice image. Let's read the caption. Determination. Some people dream of success while others wake up and work hard at it. That's a nice caption. So when you dream of success, you should work hard at it to achieve it. That's a wonderful image from the queen Hajia for real. Alright, so guys, this are some of the issues, some of the trends on social media. Have a wonderful day. Peace.